Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a factory reset on your Klloque fingerprint doorknob. You might want to do this basically for one of two reasons. Troubleshooting if it's not working right, if it's not connecting to the app or things like that. The other thing is if you're setting this up someplace new and you just want to wipe all of the previous fingerprints and everything like that off it, so you can just kind of get a fresh start, set it up new. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is first things first, you just got to unlock the lock. So you got to unlock it either with your fingerprint or go on the app and do the normal unlock procedure on the app. Once you do that and you get the door unlocked, you're going to immediately go to the inside door handle and you turn, so there's the lock that's facing straight up. You're going to turn it to the left, turn it back up, turn it to the left, turn it back up. Do that 5 times. Once you do that, you're going to turn it to the right and back up 5 times. If you do it correctly, after those 10 times, it will make a long beep and it will factory reset, and then you can set it up again like it's a brand new lock.